Hello, good day. How are you? I would like to say something about myself. My name is Ahnaf Akif and my nickname is Akif. I am 12 years old. I read in class 6 in Novelty School and College. I am from Kumilla, but now I live in Dhaka at South Bonasri. There are 4 members in my family. They are my father, mother, my younger brother and me. My younger brother's name is Araf. He is a school-going student. My father's name is Joshimuddin Litton. He is a businessman. My mother's name is Rifat Ara Eni. She is a homemaker. My hobbies are watching TV, reading books and playing soccer. My favorite color is green. My favorite food is burger. I have not visited any foreign countries yet, but I would visit soon. Thanks for all.
আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন ইংলিশ মাস্টার দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন লিফটেড 3 ব্লক কে